I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that.
Dito tayo bibili ng bulaklak at umuulan guys. Kukuha tayo ito kasi pang store. May magnolia din dito. Hindi ko lang magkano. 750 yung isang ano. Laman sa sila. So ito yung nabili kong bulaklak. Dalawa na yung